Hello viewers, today we'll discuss about another interesting problem of optics. That is, the question is, an object is placed at a distance of 75 cm from a screen. Where should a convex lens of focal length 12 cm be placed so as to obtain a real image of the object? So the question is, an object is placed at a distance of 75 centimeter from a screen. Okay, so let's solve this problem. So first of all, this is our principal axis. Okay, this is important. Okay, so here let us consider here the object is placed. Understood? This is our object. Okay, and here the screen is presented. Okay, this is the screen. This is not actually mirror, this is the screen. Okay, so we can write here screen. Okay, so this is our object O, this is our screen. A convex lens of focal length 12 centimeter. So given that the focal length of convex lens is 12 centimeter. Okay, understood? So let us consider this is our convex lens. We don't know where is the place the convex lens. Okay, guess. This is our guess. Maybe this is our convex lens and the focal length of 12 centimeter. Okay, so next, so as the obtained a real image of the object. Real image means this is our real image on the screen. Understood? So this is our image. So this is our object, this is our convex lens, this is the screen, and this is the form of real image. Okay, so we know that the distance between object and the screen is 75 centimeter. Given that. Understood? So let us consider if the object of the distance x from the lens. Let's consider this is the object length, that is x. So what is the image length? That is 75 minus x centimeter. Understood? So here is the image real. This is the real image. Okay, and as it formed in the screen. Okay, so we know that. So in the given figure, u is equal to minus x centimeter, because that is our u, that is the object distance. Understood? And why that is the negative sign here? So this is our sign convection method. U is always negative. Okay, so v is equal to 75 minus x centimeter. Why? So this is our image length. Okay, or image distance. Okay, to the screen to the screen to the lens. So this is our object length and image length. The focal length is given here. Okay, so the lens formula is, we know the lens formula. What is the lens formula? 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Okay, so putting this value in this equation, we get what? 1 by 75 minus x minus 1 by minus x is equal to 1 by 12. So simplify this equation, what we get? That is x square minus 75x plus 900 is equal to 0. Or so this is the form of a quadratic equation. So you know the quadratic formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac root of 4 upon 2a. So putting these values in this formula, we get minus b, that is 75. Understood? Plus or minus, that is b square, that is 75 square. Understood? Minus 4ac, that is 4 into 900 c, that is okay, because a here a is 1. Okay, so upon square root by 2, okay, 2a, so that is 2. Or simplifying this term, we get what? That is x is equal to 75 plus or minus 45 upon 2. Okay, or there are the two different value of x, that is x1 is equal to 60 centimeter and x2 is equal to 15 centimeter. Understood? So there are two answers are there. That is, the lens should be placed. The lens should be placed either at 15 cm, either at 15 centimeter or 60 centimeter. Okay, from the object, either that is 15 centimeter or maybe 60 centimeter. Understood? From the object to get a real image, Okay, so on the screen, which is at least the 75 cm upon the object. That is from the object. The screen is here from the object, that is 75 centimeter. Our answers are 15 centimeter or 60 centimeter. Okay, so conclude that the lens should be placed either at 15 centimeter or 60 centimeter from the object to get a real image. So thanks for watching, friends. Keep supporting. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.